Hey, it's Walter and Martine at the Matthews booth 2024 NAB show. And we have three or four? Four amazing items. I just want to thank Martine for allowing me to use the Matthews.
It's a Hollywood combo, triple riser, and it is hyperchrome. That is black, beautiful, strong chrome.
But more importantly, we have some new items to talk about.
Indeed. We have the Litemover right here. This is a remote operated head to be able to adjust your lighting units and your reflector boards. Right here, we have it on an M40. You are going to be able to use this handset right here to be able to pan your light, to be able to also tilt your light up and down, just like so. And then if you notice, we have a motor on the flood spot dial so that we can flood and spot our beam angle, which is very, very cool. And you see this is cabled, but this is also has wireless capabilities. So GMX, WDMX, it has a RCMX radio in here, so it can receive all its information and all its controlling from the DMX board or however you are going to be dealing with your lighting equipment. It is made to work with many different units out in the industry. So we have all these different adapters. Here's an adapter for the Felix Q10. Here's an adapter for the K5600 Alpha. Here's an adapter for the Vortex. So we have the 12 leading lights that are out there. We have adapters for all of them. We also have adapters for mirror boards, which are wonderful. That's what's mounted on top of our air climber. We have our xenon mirror, and we can also tilt and pan that from the ground. No need to get a ladder out. No need to have somebody camped out in a boom lift all night to be able to make adjustments to your lighting units or to your reflector boards. You can do it all from the ground safely, easily, and reliably. And that's the Litemover, distributed by Matthews Studio Equipment. It comes in this awesome thermodyne case right here. All of it packs into one case, and then all the adapters can be purchased a la carte. We can talk about Middlemax that's up there, but I can roll it out here if that's easiest. Yeah, cool. I'll do that.
So, Martine, we have something sort of cool, don't we?
We do. We have a very, very cool Middlemax here. So this is Middlemax. Is being released for the first time ever here at NAB 2024. We have Big Max, which has a 6'6" loading height, and we have Mini Max, which only has a 20-pound payload capacity. So we listened to everybody saying, man, we love Big Max, but if Big Max would only fit in my van, I could take it everywhere with me. And we worked very hard to be able to get 12 feet of extension with an 80-pound payload capacity at 12 feet. It'll go straight up to 18 feet with an 80-pound capacity, and it will go below grade 6 feet. So this is an amazing tool, and now it can finally fit into your van packages, which is very awesome. We have it full extension on top of the van here. We have it in the van loaded in there to show you guys that 64 inches will get into any van. I think the lowest van out there is a 66-inch ceiling, so 64-inch loading height is amazing. We have a rad handle right here, so you can, just like a hand truck, cock it back, move it around. It spins, moves around easily with this amazing oversized tires down here. These are foam tires, so they're puncture proof. We have our oversized brake system on here. We have our amazing casters in the front that are going to lock in rotation, as well as, I don't know him either, but yeah, we have this really, really awesome piece of equipment that is going to be able to boom your lights where you need them, on location, in the studio, and best of all, it's going to fit in your van. So that's Middlemax by Matthews Studio Equipment. It's the best in the business. It is purpose-built equipment. We know that people like using Menace arm kits, but when you have a piece of equipment that is purpose-built, you know that you are safely going to be booming your gear over the crew, over the cast, over all your important people. You need to make sure that your gear stays put and that everybody stays safe. That's what Middlemax is all about. That's what Big Max is all about. Check out more information at www.msegrip.com or reach out to your favorite Matthews dealer. Hey there, friends. here I am with our good friend Walter talking about, there he is, talking about the grip rail. This is the newest innovation in support. It is telescoping grid pipe. This is the large version, and this is the small version. This guy goes from 27 inches to 42 inches. This guy goes from 41 inches all the way up to 6 feet, so 72 inches. It receives an 1.125" pin, so your junior pin will go right in here. As soon as you get whatever the desired length is, you have 2 set screws right here. I'm gonna grab my little wrench and be able to lock this guy off securely with 2 lock-off points. And there you have it. You have speed rail, the right size every time. And all of this section right here can be rigged to as well because we have a clamp reducer. It looks like this. As soon as you find out where you want to put your clamp, you're able to put this 2-piece clamp reducer right here, and then you can mount your Mathelinis, your grid clamps, whatever clamps you want to use to be able to support this guy, you're able to use the entire length of the extension to do so. So we have the small grip rail, we have the large grip rail. They go all the way from 27 inches up to 6 feet. With the 2 combined, you can couple them together with this awesome piece right here. It is a double-ended junior pin. So these guys can couple together just like so. And now it's much longer. We also have this in 1.5 inches. So we have 1.25 inches and 1.5 inches dimensions. It's the grip rail by Matthew Studio Equipment, the right size every time. No cutting down all your speed rail and treating your gear like expendables. This guy is going to be adjustable and it's going to help support your camera, support your lighting, whatever you need to support and whatever you need to rig. This is going to be the guy to do it. Reach out to your favorite Matthews dealer, or you can contact us directly at www.msegrip.com. And I'm done. And that's it. And Walter's over there talking. So I'm just going to take this thing off. I'm done, Walter.
So it's Walter and Martine
Yes.
at the Matthews booth. And he said basically, if anybody touches your stand, this thing can, we have the long version and short version, but this is the short version. And you basically go, don't touch the stand.
That's exactly
Don't
it.
touch the stand.
This is stand defense.
Yeah, stand defense 101.
It's very, very cool.
So I just want to say thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, my friend.